When you log in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. From there, we'll click on the Video Creation tab on the left, and it will bring up some options for ways to create a video. You can use AI, which is what we'll be focusing on in this demonstration. You can also create slideshow videos using stock images. You can import your own images or even upload images, or you could even upload your own video to then work with. So let's click on AI Whiteboard Video. From there, we have 6 different types of videos that we can create. We'll start with a sales video. You can create sales videos for any type of product, whether it be a digital or a physical product. For this demo, let's do a digital product. We'll do one called Overcoming Anxiety the Natural Way. It's a video course, and we'll give one very short sentence of what that product is. And click Submit. Alright, it has generated the script for the video. If we simply don't like it, we could click the Regenerate button. We could click the Copy button to copy it to the clipboard, or to work with it immediately, just click the down arrow. That's what we'll do now. From here we have a few options to fill out and choose from. So first we'll give the video a title. Select a font. I'm just going to go with something pretty simple, like Tahoma. Font size, I'm going to keep black text, but the background color maybe something like a light blue. We can choose from a wide variety of video resolutions. I'm going to go with the full HD 1080p. I'll keep the text centered for now. We can choose no background music, or we can use background music from the built-in library, or we can upload our own. I'm going to choose one called A New Day. I'm going to set the music volume to 0.1. We can then choose from a wide variety of male and female voices. I'm going to choose Cora for this one. As we continue to scroll down, you'll see that the program automatically generated the slides with the text pre-populated. Now you can go ahead and tweak any of that if you wish. You can fix any text or change any wording that you want to change. You can eliminate slides, you can add new ones, you can move them around, however you want to do that. But I have found that it does a pretty good job for the most part, so I'm going to leave this one as is and just click Create Video. As soon as it finishes generating, it will take you to your file manager where it will store your video. From here you can click to view it. Let's do that real quick.
Are you tired of anxiety ruling your life? Introducing Overcoming Anxiety the Natural Way, a video course designed to help you regain control and find lasting relief. Anxiety can affect anyone, and it's debilitating.
Alright, as you can see, the voice is just perfect. Sounds great. I intentionally picked a voice that, sort of had that relaxing tone to it. I think that would appeal to this audience. You can also click to edit the video, and we'll take a look at how to do that throughout this demonstration on some of the other videos that we're going to create. You could also go back and edit it as a whiteboard video. I'm going to show you that real quick just so you can see. You could actually go back and without having to regenerate the script or to redo any of those options, you can go back and change just specific parts of it, like the font, the size, the video resolution, the colors, perhaps the background music or the volume, and regenerate it from there. I'll click on my videos again. Of course, you can also click to delete it, or we can click to download it as an MP4 file. Let's click on video creation again and take a look at the next type of video that we're going to make. Again, AI whiteboard video. This time, let's do a business ad video. This works for any type of business, online or offline. And if they have a website, it makes it extremely easy because it can go ahead and fetch the information for you right from their website. So I'm going to create a little ad for a local fishing fly shop called Kirk's Fly Shop. It's a fly fishing shop. Their website address is kirksflyshop.com. I'm going to click Get. And look at that. It automatically populated the next box with content from their homepage. I can then simply click Submit. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that. You can create videos for local businesses and get paid for it simply by copying and pasting their URL and grabbing content off their website this way. Alright, it came up with some great slides. I'm going to click the down arrow to generate it immediately. We'll call this one Kirk's Fly Shop. Let's go with font Georgia. Font size 60 this time. And for the colors, I'd like to kind of match their website. So let's take a look at their website here. You can see it's kind of a tan color with a maroon text on top of that. So that's what I want to aim for. We can actually use the eyedropper or the color slider, or you can enter an RGB code. That dark red looks nice. And my background color should be kind of a tan. Something like that. This time I'm going to align the text on the left so that we have room to put some images on this video as well. For the background music, I'm going to select Coastline. Again, I'll go with a 0.1 music volume. And I'm going to choose Davis to narrate this video. Scroll down and see if there's anything that I want to change or tweak, but just as I kind of scroll through it, it looks fine. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Video. Once again, it'll take you directly into your file manager once it has finished rendering. Let's click to preview this one.
Welcome to Kirk's Fly Shop, Estes Park's premier fly fishing shop and guiding service. Subscribe to our newsletter.
That's pretty cool because it actually knew how to pronounce Estes Park. You know, I even hear people in real life, typically who are from out of town, they call it Estes Park, but the AI actually knew how to pronounce it, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add some images to this one as well. And to do that, I'm going to use one of our other features. I'm going to click Video Creation, and I'm going to import some images. This allows you to grab images from anywhere on the web. So, for example, Kirk's Fly Shop has all kinds of images right here on their website. For example, if I wanted to grab this logo, I could right-click on it, copy image address, come back over and paste that in. They also have a blog with a bunch of images on it. For example, the trout of Rocky Mountain National Park. I can right-click on any of these images and grab those too. So in fact, I'll do that. I'm going to grab those right now, pause the video for just a moment, then come on over and paste all those URLs in here. Click Load Images, and it's going to grab those instantly. All right, so then we're going to turn those into a little slideshow. I'm going to click Make Images to Video. We could give it background music, but in this case, we're going to lay this on top of our existing whiteboard video. We'll call it Kirk Images. And you can select how long you want each image to appear. I happen to notice that that video was about 2 minutes and 13 seconds long, so that's 133 seconds. And we grabbed 11 images, so 133 divided by 11 is about 12 seconds for each image. 12.1 is close enough. Then we'll click Upload and Process. And again, when it's done, it will take you into your file manager. Now we could click on this and preview it. As you can see, it's just a simple slideshow video. What we're going to do now is go back to the Kirk's Fly Shop video that we made moments ago. I'm going to click to edit that video using our built-in editor. And I'm going to click this button down here that says Overlay Existing Video from My Videos. The one I'm going to select is Kirk Images. And I'm going to drag that up here. I'm going to fast forward this just a little to make sure I'm not putting it on top of any words. You can put this exactly where you want it, size it how you want it, and then double click. Then we're going to click Process it. Okay, it says video generated successfully. We'll click OK. Now if we play this video, let's take a look.
Welcome to Kirk's Fly Shop, Estes Park's premier fly fishing shop and guiding service. Subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated on all the latest fishing news and deals. At Kirk's Fly Shop, we have been serving the local area and Rocky Mountain National Park.
See that? After 12 seconds, the image changed because that's what we set it to in that slideshow. So every 12 seconds, it's going to put a new image. And we got these images right from their own website. So this is now a nice polished video that Kirk's Fly Shop could add to their own website. They could upload it to social media. And it's a video that a business like this could easily have paid at least a few $100s for, and as you saw, we made it in just a couple of minutes. So you'll be able to create videos like these for businesses and potentially get paid a lot of money to do it. All right, let's click on Video Creation again, AI Whiteboard Video, and this time we're going to take a look at a product promo video. Again, you could promote any type of product. It could be physical, it could be digital. Since we did a digital product for the little sales video demo, let's do a physical product for the product promo video. This is also great for affiliate promos. I'm just going to grab a product off of Amazon. Here's a Weber smoker. So I'm going to take it right from this title, the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker. Product type is a charcoal smoker. And then for the product info, I'm literally just going to copy these bullet points right out of the description, paste them into VidPalAi, and click submit. So you can see you could easily create video promos for any product, including any product on Amazon or any other marketplace. Alright, it has generated our script and our slides. I'm going to click the down arrow to use those immediately. Video title of this one will be Charcoal Smoker. Let's go with Impact. I like something a little darker and bolder to go along with this one. Font size 60. Maybe we'll go with white text this time. Full HD. Oh, background color, dark blue. I'm going to do text alignment left so I have room to put a picture of that product. Background's going to be summertime because I think that's a good track to go along with a smoker grill. Volume 0.1, and I'm going to go with the voice of Guy. Take a quick look at our slides here to make sure it all looks okay, and it does. I haven't had to make any tweaks yet. Go ahead and click Create. As usual, it will bring you from there into your file manager. Let's quickly preview this to make sure it sounds okay.
Are you ready to take your barbecues to the next level? Introducing the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker, the charcoal smoker that...
Yep, that sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Video on this one. I'm going to jump over to Amazon. I'm going to grab this picture of this smoker right here. I'm going to say Save Image As. Simply grab that JPEG, come back over, and I'm going to upload image for constant overlay. That means I'm going to upload just one image that lasts for the entire video. Now, as you'll see later on in this demo, you can upload as many images or videos, and you can upload them for just a matter of seconds. You can have them fade in and fade out. But to keep this quick and simple, I'm just going to do one picture on this. Make sure it's not running into my words. Double click it and click Process It. And my thought here is it's a video that I could quickly upload to social media. I could throw it on YouTube along with an Amazon affiliate link. I could put it on my own website along with a review. Lots of different ways that I could use this, but it's just a very quick and simple way to generate a video which can then earn affiliate commissions for me. Alright, it says video generated successfully. Let's say OK. You know, as I was thinking about it, we could just as easily throw our affiliate link onto this video as well. So we could jump back over to that Amazon product, grab that URL, or I could go into my Amazon Associates account. Let's just pretend I'm doing that, getting my affiliate link for it. Then we can go over to something like tinyURL. You could use any URL shortener, it doesn't matter which one. And I'll paste that long URL in here. Give it a tinyURL, click shorten. And here I got tinyurl.com smoker999. Jump back over to the editor and we'll click the text tool. Text is going to be tinyurl.com/smoker999. I'm going to put it in the bottom right, full opacity, and click process it. Okay, it says text added into video. Let's take a look at what that looks like.
Are you ready to take your barbecues to the next
Well,
level?
it's very small, but you can see it down there in the right-hand corner.
Introducing the Weber 22-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker.
tinyurl.com/smoker99. I might want to make that font a little bigger. I forgot that I had gone full 1080p here. So instead of a size 20, maybe I wanted to make that like a size, I don't know, 40 or 50 at least. But you get the point. That's going to show up if I upload this to YouTube. It's going to have that watermarked with my affiliate link right in the corner. All right, let's click on video creation again.